Bună, and welcome to ilearnromanian.com. My name is Sephora, your new Romanian teacher, and I'm here to help you learn and speak this language confidently. Whether you're a complete beginner or maybe more advanced and you want to refine your skills, I will make sure that your learning needs are met and that you achieve your goals. I am a native speaker born and raised in Romania, somewhere near Brașov. I have completed my bachelor studies in foreign languages and education and my master's degree in cultural studies. And since 2020, I have decided to dedicate myself to teaching Romanian online. I have worked on various platforms such as Duolingo, and I have helped adult learners from 39 countries, completing together over 2,000 lessons. Having this teaching experience means that I know exactly how to help you achieve your goals. What makes me different from other tutors, you might wonder? And I think that is my personalized methodology and my student-centered approach. What does that mean? The fact that our lessons, our materials, our practice, homework, everything is going to be relevant to you and your needs and is going to be focused on your personal goals. You're going to get access to over 100 materials that I have created myself, where you can get grammar theory, exercises, you can get vocabulary lists, dialogues, texts, recordings, and many other practice materials, so that your instruction can be thorough, complete, interesting, and complex. Eventually, you are going to be able to leave every lesson feeling like you've learned something new and that you're closer to speaking Romanian, maybe with your loved ones, with your coworkers, strangers that you meet when you travel, or maybe your friends. What are you waiting for? If you want to give this a try, book a free trial lesson following the link below. During the trial lesson, we are going to get to know each other. I'm going to assess your needs and I'm going to build an individualized plan so that we can start your Romanian learning journey as soon as possible. I thank you for listening to this video. I look forward to meeting you and I wish you an amazing day. La revedere!